Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to do 100 Leetcode challenge. Today we have palindrome number, another palindrome problems, and let's see what it is. Determine whether it's palindrome, integer is a palindrome, and integer is a palindrome when it's read the same backward as forward. So reading from backward is the same as reading from forward, so that means they are the palindrome. In here, if the integer is negative, then when you flip it backward, it will look like 1, 2, 1, negative. So this is not a palindrome. So we can tell if the number is negative, so it won't be a palindrome. And yeah, and that's all the example. It said we shouldn't convert the integer to string, but in here I will start with doing this using a string. As we know, if x is less than 0, then we return false directly. And now we make a string called string equal to integer to string x, make x to a string. And for what we can do is loop through I is equal to 0, I is less than string dot length minus 2, because we only need to loop to the middle of the string and check string dot character at I. If it's not equal to string dot length minus 1 minus I, so this is counting from backward, and this counting from forward. If this is 1, and counting from backward should be the last number, counting I into the formula. So if they're not the same, then return, excuse me, false. This is a condition statement. And if it passed, to keep looping for next number until looping all the number to the middle, then return true. That means it is a palindrome. Okay, it passed. But the follow-up question is saying we try to solve it without converting to the string. Okay. Then we also have if x is smaller than 0. But this time we have to consider one situation as when the number, for example, is 80. And in this case, when we flip, it will be 0, 8. It would never be a palindrome because we won't start a number with 0. So we also count that cases, edge cases in this situation. With x is not equal to 0, and I'll make a parenthesis here. And x mod 10. So this means the last digit is equal to 0, and then just purely return false. So this is edge case, we can take care of it. After that, we will have make an int number equal to x. Just store it first. While I'll also make another number. Equal to 0 to accumulate a number. So while number is not equal to 0, we'll have a remainder equal to num mod 10. So we first get the remainder, which is the last digit of the number. So for example, we have 1, 2, 3 in here. We get 3 out. We get 3 out first. After that, we can make the number to have less digit equal to nums divided by 10. After that, you take out the 3, become 12, nums equal to 12. And then y equal to y times 10 plus remainder. So we'll put this in here, become 3. So y become 3. Next time you take out 2, and then 3 times 10 become 30, and plus 2 in the y become 32. So this process will reverse y become 3 to 1 from 1 to 3. Right? After this process, y will become 3 to 1. So we still have the x to compare with. Now we just return y equal to x or not to check if they are the palindrome. Hold on. Oh, here. Cool. Why taking so long? Interesting. I is faster. Yeah, okay. This is the way of using changing the integer itself without changing to a string. So if you have any question, please comment it below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.